thank you po dahil nakasama namin kayo dito. God bless po and ingat po kayo lagi.
Ma'am, good morning. Aminchi. Malilipa na daw po kayo, ma'am. Salamat sa ilang taong marito sa aming syudad. Sa Lanbang San Carlos. Sana po, ma'am, hindi niyo kami makakalimutan. Enjoy sa bago niyong destination, madam.
Ma'am Menchi, thank you for your heart to 40s and good luck to your new journey.
Hi, Ma'am Menchi. Thank you po sa lahat. Thank you po sa patience niyo sa amin mga 40s and 40s staff. And thank you po dahil mabait po kayo sa amin and nagpapamerienda po kayo sa amin. Thank you po and sana wag niyo po kami nakalimutan. Kami pa rin po ang pinakamagandang FRP dito po sa Pangasinan. Yeah. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Hi, Ma'am Menchi. Good luck to your next assignment. And for your 7 years stay here in San Carlos, we have developed that bond between us. Thank you for all the assistance that you have given to us, and we will surely miss you. Thank you and good luck.
Hello, Ma'am Mench. Ma-assign ka na sa Lingayen branch, so precisely mamimiss kita. Anyway, malapit lang naman ang Lingayen, so I can visit you anytime. Thank you for the friendship, for the best services that you have accorded to me, and for everything. Walang favor na hiningi ko sa'yo na hindi mo binigay, and for that, I am very grateful to you. I wish you good luck in your new assignment, and God bless.
Ma'am Menchi, thank you for being good with us. I really appreciate it. Thank you po sa lahat dahil you are approachable, kind, and what else? Very beautiful. And then, don't worry, ma'am. Malapit lang naman po ang Lingayen. Lagi-lagi naman po kami doon. Good luck. See you in Lingayen.